Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the OdinLake Ergo Butterfly A753. Let's have a look. All right, let's see what's in here. So first we have in this package all the screws you need to put the chair together. Instructions and these gloves to help you put the chair together. So here we have our seat with armrests connected, our headrest, base, casters, gas lift, our gloves, our instruction manual, screws and tools, and our backrest. So first, we'll be attaching our casters to our base. And then we'll be installing the gas lift. Next, we'll be attaching the seat to the gas lift and base. Next, we're going to attach the backrest to the seat. Now we will attach the backrest to the seat. Make sure you screw in the proper order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, for our last step, we will attach the headrest to the backrest. And now we enjoy the best seating experience you can buy.